out here. Bless you. Yeah, it's breezy out here. Yeah, the tide is coming in and the breeze is coming in too. Well, it's always breezy out here, but it's extra breezy out right now. So, yeah. Wonderful evening. Tide's coming in quick. People out swimming. Enjoying the nice weather. Pictures. Yeah. Gorgeous. Gorgeous view. And gorgeous weather. So that's what it looks like right around sunset. Outside of 828 Gems Beach Resort. On the island, Pangasinan, Philippines. Nice place. Beautiful place. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. See you later. Bye-bye.